You guys are going to start all the way at the northeast end. They're starting all the way at the southeast end. You guys are both going to be down the hill, trucking upwards, okay? They do not know where you're trying to get these bags. I'm not going to tell them. You're not going to know where when they get these bags from you, should they do that, you're not going to know where they have to take them, okay? But your guys' main objective, motherfuckers listening to this shit. Alright, so your guys' main objective is take these 2 bags. Once 2 bags have hit a certain point, you guys are golden, okay? Here's that point. You guys ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright, your point is the brand new Ranger cap, that middle point section, okay? You guys get it there, you're good to go, okay? And they're going to have a different one! Go! Come on! You know where you guys need to take your bag?
Coming from this way.
Yes, shit. This was a horrible choice. Shooting themselves?
Hit. Reloading. Fuck out of here. Yeah.
Got one guy.
Of course.
It's up the nose brakes.
Yeah, especially on ours.
This is a little spawn that missed it. This is a single one. This is a respawn, right?
Alright. Do that again.
Okay, we just cleaned up 4 guys off that edge. There's another one there.
2 scorpions.
Oh, I'm out.
Oh, he's out too.
Is that gas?
Huh?
Is that gas, Skorpion?
Yes. KWA. They just released it.
Did they?
Yeah.
I might have to buy one.
I see.
See where I was going, right? There you go.
I can't tell if I got him or not.
It's alright.
I'm not used to it.
As long as Eric stays alive down there, we can force him into the mud. He's got him. So that's going to force him back up into the field. Scott, what do you got?
There's guys straight up the hill, dark bushes.
You hear where they are, right? So try to come back down
Watch
that
your
trail,
right.
Eric.
High, way up there by those bushes.
Now there's one right down Eric's trail also.
That's straight ahead. Right? Yeah. There. They're way up there. Those big pop shots there.
Alright guys, we kind of need to move up. There's no point in staying here.
electronics boxes, but they're completely pinned down by the minigun. You need a sniper. We need to push. I'm saying we go up, maybe middle-ish. I don't know how well that's going to work out.
They're all coming from the left side. So.
Carriers are pinned down by minigun?
Fine to me. Yeah.
Oh no, there's lots of fire.
Even you take the bunker, which sounds like hell.
Well, it doesn't really matter because
We're
Spike's
got to
dying
sneak
anyway.
up on them somehow. We can't.
Who's got a long
Anybody got a sniper up there?
Well, it's all just rush them. I mean,
Guys,
what else can we do?
Take a minigun.
We need to do a rush.
No. We need to get to a spot where we can knock it shot from the bunker, but can still shoot at the minigun.
I've got some range and accuracy, but my battery's getting low, so I don't have a lot of shots.
Okay, we need to make a plan.
I say we rush them. Just
I got a couple people
bomb rush them like.
Yeah, we could
Normally, I'm up for a rush.
All right, let's move. Come on.
Except for the minigun.
Which way are we going?
Minigun doesn't use Russian.
Oh, you know what? We're with you guys.
Anything's good. Come on, guys. That is no bueno.
Watched these last night and this again. Who's on our team?
I know. Hit.
That sucks.
You dead? That guy's our guy.
You dead?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Got him.
Good shot.
Are they on the trail?
What's that?
Up there.
Can't see him.
Ooh, do you have a sniper?
Almost got hit there.
Hit!
Got him.
Right on the head of the trail. To the right. Ah, hit.
Starting to rain. Done. Hit. Oh, that was embarrassing. Hey guys, left side. Move out.
Dear sir, I love the Skorpion.
I love it too, my friend.
Where are they?
Just behind that like barricade over there in the middle.
Alright.
Or that tree, I think. Not right up in that tower. I got him. Almost out.
Not making a fucking move. What?
Hey guys, you got people moving up over here. They're moving up, they're moving up. They're halfway to that ranger tower. Where's those?
Way too cold. Staying suffering. Is there a guy over there? There is a guy over there. Well, that's it for me. Hit!